Yun ang frameless mga kasambalin nyo. Please naipasyal ko kayo dyan sa loob. So yung mga nakita ninyo mga binidyo ko, kuha yan dyan sa frameless kung tawagin nila. Ayan, okay. Nyo, pabalik na kami. Balik kami dun sa mall. Tapos kukunin namin yung sasakyan doon dahil doon kami nagparada sa mall. Yung kanina pinagkainan namin. Then uwi na doon sa accommodation at talagang pagod na rin ako. Imagine 5 o'clock ako nagising kanina ng umaga. Then umalis kami ng alas 7. So pagod na pagod. Mag underground tayo ulit. Dito marble arts. Paddington. So kaya lang sabi ko wala din naman kayong makikitang view dahil puro underground. We are on MRT going to Divisoria. Divisoria, Recto, in the Philippines.
Yeah, oh yes, I know.
Remember?
Yes, never been about this.
So how many steps?
So after this,
10 steps.
no, I'm just caught off guard.
will only took us 35 minutes on where we going. And if we use our car, it will be maybe more than an hour because of the traffic, of course. Plus, it's hard to find a place to park. And if we go by bus, how long?
Oh, I don't know. Longer than the car because it's got a certain route to go to.
All right. So, as you said, I will translate.
Oi! Yung bus
And
mga longer. Yung bus mga longer kasi traffic at routes.
so,
Like a route.
you know how she explained now in Tagalog.
No, you translated
She
it.
said if you go by bus, it's longer because it will take more than maybe about 2 hours. So that's what she's trying to explain.
2 hours, maybe no. Like hour and a half.
Hour anyhow. And so for this one is the fastest, which is only 35 minutes. That's what she said. So okay, guys. And as I said, this is she's the one who telling us where to go, because to be honest with you guys, if only me and Heidi, we don't know where to go, and she's the one guiding us rather than we go over or what's that, taxi.
Uber.
Uber, yeah. This one is better and more cheaper, of course, rather than we go on Uber. So the only thing is that, of course, there's some stairs,
Yeah.
there's some escalators. So I'm okay anyway. I'm not that tired. All right. That's what I just want to explain when you ride the underground train here in London. Okay, guys. That's it for now. Maybe later again when we get our car. Okay.
Bye.
Alright, lapit-lapit na tayo mga kasampalin nyo. Tingnan nyo yung train nila dito, luma na rin. Marami na rin mga sulat-sulat. Pero pasalamat tayo sa gobyerno natin, maging sino man ang presidente, dahil kahit papano malinis ang ating mga train. Pero, maingay. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo pa ako. Ito ang mahirap, underground kasi, kaya maingay talaga. Meron pa yung time na parang sasabog yung tainga ko dahil malalim. Ayan, nandito na tayo mga kasambalin nyo. Is this the one now? Not yet.
This train is held at a red signal and should be moving shortly.
Slow down, traffic.
Stop.
Ha?
The only reason we took the tube is to avoid the traffic.
May traffic this underground, mga kasambalin nyo. Oh my God. Siguro naririnig niya yung ingay. Ewan ko kung naririnig niyo pa yung boses ko. Although inilapit ko na yung mic. Ganyan ang underground train, mga kasambalin nyo. Oh. Halos wala rin naman kayo talagang makita. Kaya sa sobrang lalim yung ingay, kulong masyado yung ingay. Ganyan ang mga underground. So dito Dito na kami sa destination namin.
Stratford, please mind the gaps between the train and the platform.
Salford.
Stay clear for the Elizabeth and Jubilee line, the DLR, London Overground and National Rail Services.
Nag-slow down din sila dahil siyempre merong
Should be moving shortly.
kasalubong. Yan, lumiliwanag na mga kasambalin nyo. Dahil nakalabas na tayo sa ilalim ng lupa. Nakita ko nga si paring Tanas. Kumakaway sa akin. There we go. Oh dear. Lumang-luma na yung train nila. Yung mga tao dito puro nagmamadali, mga kasambalin nyo. Hindi man nagmamadali, puro naliligaw.
Me not speak English.
Kasing si Lola mo. Maingay. Yan din lang isang dahilan kaya nagdesisyon din kami ni Mrs. na ilipat si Bunso. Kasi ganito araw-araw ang kinakaharap niya. Sakay-sakay sa train, halo-halo ang tao. At least yung titirhan niya sa September, hindi na ganon. Kaya siyempre, iniisip din namin yung safety ng bunso namin. Although medyo magastos, pero kung isipin mo yung safe, kesa nagte-train siya. Ayan na naman. Hello. Say hi to my vlog. See? May mga pats tayo dito sa Balenyo. Kala nyo, Pilipinas lang ha. Card again. So, ano, dito na tayo. Ganong kabilis lang mga kasambalay nyo. Dito na tayo sa mall. Ang pinanggalingan natin kanina.
Yeah.
Ha?
So from here.
Yeah.